Hello my friends, it's Sherry. How's everyone doing? Welcome to my channel and welcome to hashtag Tag Tuesday. I have been having some fun with these chalkboard tags from Dollar Tree. I had showed you in, I believe you've seen that video where I showed you these in a Thrifty Thursday and picked these up at Dollar Tree. I picked up the tag shape, the heart shape, and the foxes. So I tried writing on a couple of them first. Let me see if I can find the ones I wrote on. I think just a couple. And so I just used a these had let's see, the hearts. You see how these already had the white kind of stitch marks on them at Dollar Tree. They came like that. These did not, so I wanted to try making my own stitch marks. So I did that. This was done with, I did a video where I showed you these Funzel's chalk markers. So there's a white one in here. Well, it's actually out right now. It's right here. And so I used that to make the marks around here. And then I experimented with it to see how it wrote. And it wrote a little, I mean, it's okay, but it's not, it's a little thick and a little not as clear as I wanted it to be. So that's the Funzel's marker that's my first try writing with it too, so it could get better. But then I also remember that I had have a marker from, this is Crafter Square white, it's called a metallic marker from Dollar Tree. But I did get it at Dollar Tree, and it has a thinner point, so it's better to write with, I think. It works really well. I wrote this word, believe, with this marker. So let me show you the tip on the other one. It's not, it's just like kind of a, let me see where the screen is here. There we go. It's kind of a regular size marker. And the other one's more fine point. Finer than that one anyway. So let me show you what I did. I'm not going to do a tutorial today. I just wanted to, I knew, you know, I put gems on all these, so I knew that would take some time, so I didn't want to try to do that on video. Besides, it's pretty self-explanatory. But I got out my little half back sticker pearl, you know, beads, whatever, and I got out all that I could find, and I just pictured on these black tags. I was picturing bright colors, you know, because I just love to put a color on black, and even in a journal, if I use black cardstock, it's so fun to either write with white on there, white gel pen, white marker like I just showed you, or put something bright colored on it because it just makes it pop. So that's what I did. I got out all my little bling here, my halfback beads, sticker. I used up quite a few. So let me just show you. These are all of the tags right here. This is the best day ever I just showed you. It says best day ever. And I put the dots on there with the chalk marker and then the beads and wrote the best day ever. I did write on it first because I thought it might be a little hard to write over in between the stickers. So I did write on there first. And I actually wrote on there before I put the dots on there too, because I didn't want to take a chance on smearing them. I wanted to let it dry. So I wrote on there, and then I did the decorating on the outside. Same with this one. This one says believe, and you can see the green beads on there, stickers. And so yeah, I used up a lot of those, which I'm glad, because I have bought a little bit of new stickers, and I only have 2 drawers. If you watch my craft room reorganization, I have 2 drawers, and they're kind of pretty much full, and I don't, so I need to use some. I mean, I'm not really supposed to be buying any stickers, but I bought a few, so I need to use some, so I make sure I don't overflow those drawers. But this one I wanted to try, these, they're not brightly colored, but they're these copper ones. Did I use them all? I think this is the only one I used. I used all of these and all of these little really shiny ones, and the rest I still have some left. But I wanted to use this one in case I wanted to use it in one of these in a more vintagey journal. I figured that would be cute with all the little bronze beads there, or stickers. And so that one's that one. And then I'll just show you the rest of them without explanation, because, like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. These tags here, they have a metal eyelet, which I think is really nice. and the string was already in there for me. I didn't even have to put the string in there, so wasn't that nice? I didn't write on them yet because I thought, well, let me wait and see what I do with them. I mean, you could use these for so many different things. A gift, so you might want to write to from, or happy birthday, or happy Mother's Day. So, I didn't write on them yet. I'm just going to wait and see what I do with them. I might even put some of these in my shop, which is my new shop on eBay. It's called Sherry's Shop. I'll link it below. You can go check it out. I haven't put too much in there yet, but I have a few things. So these were different sizes, all on one sheet. All this like little bling here. You can see like this is the first one I did, I think. See how many I put on there? Isn't that pretty? They're all the same size but different colors. Aren't they cute? I love these. Then here's one. Toward the end I was running out, so I spread them out some more. So that's what they look like spread out. This one's a little bit more together in between the other two. Not right next to each other, but not quite so spread out. But my idea was, well, I really like these, so as many as I can put on there, I will. But I wanted to also use them all up, so as many as I could anyway. So there's that one, and then there's this one here. And of course, they can be, if I put them in a journal, they can be written on both sides with the appropriate pen that will write on black. So here's the hearts. Now, just as a reminder, the black tags that you get from Dollar Tree, they are like cardstock. See how they bend? They kind of bend. They're like cardstock. Or maybe they are cardstock. And the other ones, like I got the hearts and the foxes, these are wood. They're wood. You see the wood on the back there. See the wood grain. So, and these already had the lines, the stitch lines, and I added the bling there. And these had the jute twine in the bag with them, and I had to put it on. So no big deal. I'm just telling you, like the other one had the strings on. Of course, these don't have the metal eyelet. The other ones that are cardstock have those, which is really nice because, it gives you a little sturdier place to put your string without tearing through. These aren't going to tear through because they're wood. So that's the green one. I wanted to try all the colors that I have. So that's a green one. Yeah, you can see that. This is like a hot pink. Aren't they pretty? I just, these are the type of beads that have the glue in between, and you just pull them off in a big long string. And I was able to shape them into a heart and just put them down. So real easy, real easy. The only ones that were separate, that I had to put down separate, was these. These were separate on the card, so I had to put each one down separately. So, and those are round and square that were on that in that package. See, there's a round one and there's a square one, and I just used as many as actually I used all of those too. I used these up and the bright colored blingy ones. Here's the pink heart. I think they're really pretty. And I don't think these just have to be for Valentine's Day. They can be any time of year. I mean, wouldn't this be cute on a Mother's Day gift? And you could say Happy Mother's Day or I love you or whatever. Awesome, right? And then the little foxes, I didn't do too much to because I wanted them just like this. I thought about it and I decided not to write on them right now. And I just put the little bronze pieces that I showed you that I had to put down individually. I just used some of those as eyes on all the foxes. I did these first so I wouldn't run out of, I didn't want the foxes to have like red or pink eyes. I wanted them to look, I didn't want them to look creepy or anything. I wanted them to look cute. These also, the jute twine came separate, so I put that on there. And this stitch mark was already on there, like I said. And they are wood. So, I think they're really adorable. And I think I got 2 packages, so I have a bunch of these too. And, you could really have fun with the words you might write on any of these kind of tags, right? Using your, you could probably use a Sharpie on here too. A Sharpie or, a paint marker, not a paint. I have like paint pens with the kind of brush tip. I wasn't going to use that because I knew I wouldn't be able to write with that. I need something with a harder tip that would be able to write But I think they're super cute. I really like the little foxes too. So that is my Tag Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed. I wanted to, you know, do something with those. I had them sitting here since I brought them home. And I have all my little Dollar Tree things right here in the top of my rolling cart. So I, you know, have them right in front of me so I remember to use them. But yeah, if you want to participate in Tag Tuesday, have some tag making fun. We do this every Tuesday. Just use the hashtag in your title and tag my or link my video in your description box, and you can tag me on Instagram. That way everybody will be able to, I will be able to find you. And if you use the hashtag Tag Tuesday in both places, wherever you post, people will be able to find you. So again, thank you for watching. Check out my new eBay shop, Sheree Shop. There's a journal in there, or there, you know, I put one in there today, so hopefully, I mean, not hopefully, I hope it sells, but if it's still in there, you can check it out. And I really, you know, I've listed things on eBay for a long time, but let me just say that the program or software that eBay has for listing, oh my goodness, it's so wonderful. The eBay software for taking pictures for your listings is, I never realized how weird it was until I listed something on eBay today, and it was amazing. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video, and have a great day. See you later.